Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to QR code a YouTube video. I'm inside my YouTube Studio dashboard, and this is the video that I want to QR code. This is the video link. I will visit the page. To QR code this YouTube video, just copy the video link. Go to this online tool called or website called me-qr.com. Click on this Create QR code button. Select YouTube. I will leave you links to these two online tools or websites that I will use for this tutorial in this video description. If I forgot to add these resources into the video description, just let me know in the comments and I will update the video description. Now paste your YouTube video link here. You can give your QR code a name, but it's optional. Click on this customize and download QR button. This is your QR code on the right side of the screen. You can add a frame to it just like that, and you can download it to your computer but by just clicking on this download QR code button. This is my QR code live, and on my phone I have this QR code scanner. I will scan this, and as you can see, just by scanning it, it showed me this page. If I click on this URL, I will be redirected to this video called how to add recipients in MailChimp. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. The second tool that you can use to QR code a YouTube video is this one called unicode.com. Just visit this website, click on QR codes, then click on this try now blue button, paste your YouTube link here, and instantly you will see a QR code generated. Click on download a QR code and you will see your QR code just like that. I will do the same with this. I'm now in the scanner tool. I will scan this QR code and quickly I have this open. This is the same video I've QR coded, and this is how to QR code a YouTube video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.